My name's Nick Kramer. I'm teaching how to catch fish the old-fashioned way.
Hey, watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Hey, Nick and I caught this fish. It's peeing right now, but I caught it. I'm gonna get it back to the wild. Get that camera off me.
He's careful with this.
You gotta get it off of the
Yeah, that's how you do it. Got
Joe shit. It's not an animal.
You got a snaggle!
Animal, it's a damn piece of rope. It's not gonna bite.
I want to teach you how to survive in the wild. You see this food here? This is good eating. You just gotta give it a twist. Yeah.
Whoa! I don't know if I fucking know.
And that's how you survive in the Are you dehydrated? You need some fresh water? Just grab your canteen. Get any water that looks like. Oh, you just caught me in the wild. I'm going to teach you 5 safety tips to be safe. Safety tip number 1. Always make sure you have a good shelter. That way you can't get attacked by predators. Number 2, don't get attacked by predators. How to do this? Find yourself a shelter. Steps 3, 4, and 5 are simple. Make sure you find water and food and shelter, because if you have those, you won't get eaten by the prey. Caught me on a good time. I found myself some good old-fashioned corn. Corn in the wild's hard to come by, but if you can find yourself a good clean piece, you got yourself a good eat. I heard some wild animals out here. This is times that are tough. You gotta make the quick decisions quick. This ravine isn't gonna be safe to leap over, but I'm gonna have to do it for survival reasons. That's good though.